How you doing, guys? Jason here. So we've been crazy busy tweaking, testing, tweaking and more testing, answering support requests, and basically we've been really busy behind the scenes. But what we've done is we've managed to, refine Serptech to being, probably one of the best page builders out there. Now, we've gone or literally jumped from, I think it's 3.14 up to 3.20. So as you can imagine, there's been a lot of tweaking happening in the background. So the point of this video is to kind of just highlight some of the new features, some of the bug fixes, and just to give you a clear indication of what we've done since we last connected. Okay, so basically what we found, some users were experiencing that when they were using the primer, it was deleting the media images. So we've gone through, we've identified the issues with that, and we've fixed that. So that's absolutely working absolutely brilliantly right now. In addition, you can see here we've actually added an extra bit here where you can actually clear articles, images, keywords, etc., without actually having to kind of take the site back to ground zero. And this is particularly helpful if you mess up a build. You can click, simply come in here, click this, unclick the rest, and obviously just clear the current data in particular to this plugin. Okay, so some of the users reported they were having issues in terms of being blocked by pulling articles. So what we've done, we've actually added two things. We've added a free proxy support to the application, and we've also added the ability for you to use your own proxies if necessary. So we've still got the free sources. We will be adding to those as time goes by. But if you go to settings now, that's just coming up now. If you scroll down, as you can see, we've got the ability to support proxies. Now we've given you a clear indication how to actually enter the data, and it's pretty simple to use. Now the next thing is we had a few users that were experiencing blank pages on the settings page, which is where I'm currently at, and what this was doing, it was affecting the actual pulling the geo. So we've managed to identify that bug and we've stamped that out. So that's working absolutely brilliantly right now. One of the things we were conscious of is, giving users the support without having to leave the plugin itself. So what we've actually got now is, if you scroll right down, just underneath settings, we've actually got a help section. Now in the help section, what we've actually done is integrated the over-the-shoulder build, which is an excellent video on how to actually utilize Serptech. But in addition, what we've given you is the sample data should you need to import your own, and that includes the geo, the tags, and the keywords. We've given you that in CSV format and also in text format. Now in order to grab this, all you need to do is to click the hyperlink, and that will download to your local server. In addition to that, what we've given you is the ability to contact support desk direct from the plugin. So all you'd need to do is to click that button, and that will take you directly to the support desk. Okay, so another issue that was found is because we've got so many users using different types of hosting environments, it's quite difficult to try and optimize for it to work on every single scenario. So we've changed the way how Serptech works in terms of how it stores its data. Now, one of the things that was highlighted is when individuals were saving builds, it was giving some individuals potential problems. Now we've actually solved that by optimizing the zip archives. And now when you save your build, what will happen is you will be presented with the name of your build here. Again, it's a hyperlink. If you click that, you can download the build and obviously use that at a later point. Now the index is just getting better and better as the days go by. Now what you should notice is a significant increase in terms of speed and the amount of URLs that are indexed. So I think the record at the moment is 900 URLs indexed within 8 minutes. This isn't typical, but expect greater numbers in terms of the indexer and in terms of its performance. A couple of the guys actually highlighted that in the current version that tags were being missed off, and again we've identified that and they are working as they should. Again, coming back to indexing, when you are indexing, ensure that you do tick the tag button in order to get the best results out of the software.